about the end of this. So, that's fucking for you. And if you want to fuck some big ass dicks, other than my dick, I got some good dick stood up for, and then you got some big black dick if you want some. I don't know which one you're in, but you know what I'm saying. There's some background.
Let's get right in the face. Let's do it right in the face with the sprinklers.
He's like, oh.
Right
In the face, right? In the face. She's looking in the fucking. Oh, fresh out of prison. That's why. Tomorrow. Right?
Hi. It may take a moment to answer. Please wait.
Oh, chicken shit. Oh. Stupid bitch. Stupid. Fittingly appropriate. Did you open the door there, Steve?
Huh?
My bad. My bad. He opened it.